Hi friends, welcome to my channel Cook with Sissy. Today I am going to share a video of goat leg soup. Let's go into the video. Grandma has taken 4 goat legs, cleaned well in hot water and washed with turmeric water. Required ingredients are 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon jeera, 2-inch ginger, pinch of asafoetida, and handful of garlic cloves. Grind all the ingredients in mixer. Add little water and grind. Make a coarse paste. Now grandma has taken water about 1.5 liter. Add the cleaned legs bones into it. Add the masala paste and add salt to taste. Close the pressure cooker lid and wait for 12 to 15 whistles. It is very good for health and has many health benefits. It relieves joint pains, boosts collagen production, and it is highly nutritious. See the bones, it seems cooked very well. Now the soup is ready to serve. Transfer it to a serving bowl or a glass. You may add coriander leaves. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.